In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can start using WhatsApp directly inside your GoHighLevel account to communicate with leads and customers more efficiently. Make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account before we begin. First, from your main GoHighLevel dashboard, head over to your Launchpad. The Launchpad is basically your starting hub inside GoHighLevel, where you can quickly access the most important tools and settings for your location or sub-account. If you're not already there, look for the option that takes you to the Launchpad from the left-hand navigation menu. Click that to open it up. Once you're on the Launchpad, the next thing you want to do is go into your settings. Settings are usually found on the left side of the screen, towards the bottom of the menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage things like your company information, integrations, and messaging channels, including WhatsApp. Inside the settings area, you'll see a few different tabs or sections. Look for the one labeled WhatsApp. It may be under a broader category like company or messaging, depending on your interface, but it will clearly say WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp to open that section. When you open the WhatsApp section, you are now in the right place to connect WhatsApp to GoHighLevel. Here, you'll see options related to how WhatsApp is set up for your account. To move forward with the official setup using GoHighLevel's built-in system, you'll need to click on Agency Purchase. This is the option that allows your agency or account to purchase and activate the WhatsApp integration through GoHighLevel's messaging provider. Clicking on Agency Purchase will start the process of enabling WhatsApp for your account. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts that GoHighLevel provides. These usually include confirming your messaging provider, selecting or verifying your phone number, and agreeing to any usage or billing details. Take your time to read each screen so you understand how messages will be billed and which number will be connected. Once you've completed that purchase flow, WhatsApp will be linked to your GoHighLevel location, and you'll be able to use it in your conversations, workflows, and automations, depending on your plan and settings. And that's it. You've gone from the Launchpad into settings, into the WhatsApp section,